Ang ganda ni Kisses, nakakaloka! Bagay na bagay ang pangalan niya.
Ginaganon, tapos gumaganon-ganon siya.
Ang cute! Ang cute! Diba?
I think coming soon. Meron ba kayo nun? Or maybe coming soon?
Dapat magkaroon.
Oh, yun pala nagyayoso!
So you're busy, of course, with your soap, with the sitcom that you have. Do you have a sitcom?
Yes, Playhouse po. It's a series.
Playhouse, yes. It's a somehow sitcom.
No, series po siya.
Playhouse lang yun. Oo. Hindi ko oras ng panonood yung time na yan.
Pero gusto ko lang
catch a glimpse.
Pero gusto ko lang po sabihin na kahit hindi oras yun ang panonood ng karamihan po supporters, nanonood sila sa iWant TV. So thank you so much.
Yun ang maganda. There's always a way, right? No? If you want to see Kisses, and of course the rest of the cast of Playhouse, make iWant TV. Okay, so at this point, if
First of all, I want to say thank you to Yoyoso Philippines for getting me as their official endorser. I'm so grateful. I'm like... And syempre, thank you sa San Carlos Town Center for having me here. I traveled 3 hours. Same with you. I traveled 3 hours just to be here. And I'm so thankful to be here kasi I get to witness this kind of beauty.
Oo, iba rin talaga yung support nila because they have been here, hindi pa nag-open ang store, and they have been screaming on the top of their lungs just so you could hear them from wherever you are still. So talaga naman, you are very blessed, Donnie, and you and the rest of the people, of the celebrities who came to perform. Grabe ang warm ng San Carlos, Pangasinan! Iba! Iba kayo! Okay. So, syempre pa hindi naman buo ang kaperaso ng half ng puso, ano? Dapat buo. So, dapat hindi natin tawagin yung bubuo. Since you're shouting for him already.
Gusto niyo ba si Donnie?
Syempre, mamaya.
Yeah.
May game pa sila. They still have a game with you guys. So pagpahingahin lang muna natin. I think hindi si Kisses, pero hindi yung technical. So, Kisses, if you would... Okay, so this time around, para hindi muna yung pinaka mo, eto na siya muna. Pero this guy is really great din para sa lahat. Gwapong-gwapo, parang Pilipino, pero Korean. Give it up for Johan Kim!
Hello po ulit. How are you? Actually, I'm so happy that you're being part of Yoyoso family. Kasi you know, I was the only one chinito, pero now bagong chinita. Half Filipino, half Korean. Charot po. Anyway, I'm so happy and thank you for being part of Yoyoso family. She's now official family of Yoyoso. Thank you so much.
Oh, yes, Johan.
Yoyoso
Thank you
Philippines.
also. Yes, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you very much. Johan King. Johan is also napakabait. Ang galing mag-Tagalog. Oh. So, ano ang pakiramdam mo na yung pag-welcome sa'yo, pati ni Johan pa?
Siyempre, thankful po ako. Thankful talaga.
Meron talaga dyan sa kanta, ano na yung
Ikaw
gitara na yan,
every
ano?
time magtutugtog, dapat sasayaw tayo lahat.
Do you have a latest single? Meron ka bang single na o wala pa?
Ako po?
Magandang boses mo.
Oh, thank you po.
Once again, Kisses Tel Aviv!
Becky Bash, kasama ko si Kisses. Kano? Mga ka-Becky Bash. Mga ka-Becky Bash. Dolby, nakakaloka. Loka-loka na ako dito sa dressing room. Hindi ko na po kaya, mga chinggo. Ganda ng bata. Hi, mga ka-Becky Bash. Hello, thank you. Sa dami ng subscribers ko.